Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we're doing an evaporator on the AC system for this 2015 Dodge Ram. So this is the inside. Everything comes out. The box sits in here. There's the evaporator. The heater core goes through here. Couple of points. One, there are two bolts there that needs to be removed for the metal frame of the cluster to come out. And then you have another one up here, and the rest is easy. A wiring harness, everything gets connected, disconnected through this corner, so you don't have to worry about the wiring harness. Everything stays with the frame. And then the whole frame, if you just tilt it one side and have it kind of bungee cord across, it'll give you enough room to work here. You don't have to remove it fully. And then the other point, there's one nut here, another nut here, and a bolt down here. Those three needs to be removed. And then if you come around to the engine bay, there is two nuts, one here and one at the bottom where that hole is. So you have to remove the one at the bottom. That would allow the whole heater box to come out from the other side. If you don't, it won't come out. So that's one of the hidden bolts. Other than that, there's nothing to it. It's just basically take apart, put back. The heater, the evaporator is here. I've already replaced it. A TXV was okay, so I did not replace it. I changed the gaskets on it. So that itself needs to be opened up here halfway. So that end comes out and the other end stays. The evaporator is in there. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.